Mommy Vanna here. I'm a mom of three. Now I have my two teens na girls, okay? And then I have Grayson as my bunso. He's already 8 years old. And actually, I'm really having fun and hosting. And even in our community, I've embraced the brand already of being Mommy Vanna. No, in our mom community, I always do spread love. I share tips and tricks on how to have this grateful life of being a mom, a wife, and a fun host as well. Actually, I only have one thing with Grayson when it comes to toys. It has to do the goal. Two things lang naman, no? Kailangan mag-enjoy siya at mag-learn siya. So, yun lang talaga. That's really my goal of choosing, and creating a bonding moment with him because I just don't let him play alone. Gone are the days that, I was really, kasi I'm unika iha back then, no? And just to share, hindi talaga fun, no? When you're just playing alone. And it's really more of having that creativity side of your son. Makikita mo talaga kung yung strength and weaknesses niya, no? So that's very important to me. That's why when I choose his toys, it has to have those two things for me. It should be fun and he should be learning from it as well.